Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can win tip-offs on NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live. So the first thing that we're gonna do is click on Live Today, for example. Go ahead and click right here and then click on Play. Right now we're gonna wait for the game to load. Right now, we're gonna click on play. So now it says warming up. We're waiting for the game to load. And here is some tips right here. Once the game is loading, as you can see guys right here, this guide explains everything about tip-offs. So the tip-off is a big part of playing your league vs league quarters and is also relevant in head-to-head. Season and live event modes, it's a core part of the game and can be mastered easily. The exact timing of the tip is that you need to press the tip off button a split second after the ball leaves the referee's hand. You can see in the first screenshot exactly where the ball is and that the button that has just been pressed. As you can see guys in this picture, once the referee raises his hand, you need to press the tip off button. The exact timing of the tip is that you need to press the tip off button a split second after the ball leaves the referee's hand. You can see in the first screenshot, the ball is only just out of the ref's hand and the button is already being pressed. Given the slight delay in human response times, you need to hit the tip off button just as it stops being in contact with the ref. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.